Why do you think testing is important?
To make sure the software works, I guess?
Close, but there's more to it.
Okay, so testing is about running the software and finding bugs?
That's a common misconception.
Bob is starting his first day as a software tester at Aviation 360, a company that develops a flight reservation system. Sara, a senior test engineer at Aviation 360, greeted him. So, Sara, this is my first day as a tester. Honestly, I'm not even sure where to start.
Welcome, Bob. First rule of testing, don't panic. Let's start simple. Why do you think testing is important?
To make sure the software works, I guess?
Close, but there's more to it. Imagine a customer books a flight through our software, but due to a bug, their ticket doesn't register. What do you think happens?
They miss their flight?
Exactly. Testing isn't just about making sure things work. It's about preventing failures that could cost money, reputation, or even lives in critical systems.
Okay, so testing is about running the software and finding bugs?
That's a common misconception. Testing is much more than that. It starts with static testing, reviewing requirements and design documents before even touching the software. Then there's dynamic testing, catching issues in real time.
So it's more about finding defects systematically.
Bingo. Testing evaluates system quality and aligns with the software development lifecycle. Spotting flaws early prevents bigger problems later.
I've heard of verification, but what's validation?
Verification checks if the system meets specified requirements. It's like making sure the plane is built to the blueprint.
And validation?
Validation ensures the system meets users' needs, like testing if passengers feel safe and comfortable flying. A system can meet specs but fail in real-world scenarios.
So we need both blueprint checks and real-world testing.
Exactly. Testing needs planning, management, and monitoring. It's not just technical. Analytical and critical thinking are essential.
This all makes sense, but it's a lot to take in. Any practical tips for a rookie like me?
First, focus on understanding the software, what it's supposed to do, and who's using it. Plan your tests. Don't dive in randomly. Testing isn't just about finding bugs, it's about delivering value by ensuring quality.
Got it. So we're like co-pilots for CodeQuest Airlines, making sure this plane doesn't crash.
Exactly. Let's make sure this flight lands smoothly.
Testtactix, upskill, innovate, succeed. Get that we want to find bugs, but isn't that the only objective?
Not even close.
Testing is like being the airline's safety inspector before a flight.